Hey everyone, it's Braulio here. Just wanted to show you what we're going to be doing at this property. We're going to be removing all the weeds throughout this hillside, and then we're going to be planting some phlox, some creeping phlox. It's really good for erosion. We're going to be planting these junipers as well, and we also have some more creeping liriope as well that we're going to be planting, and it's all going to go throughout this area. And as well, and we're going to put mulch too. And over here we're going to be mulching this area right here. And just so quick tip, bring yourself some 2x4s or 2x8s, I believe is the other one. I have those over here for stair purposes. So those are the 2x8s. In this area, this is where we're going to be planting more phlox as well, all the way down to control erosion. And the phlox, they creep about 12 to 18 inches or something like that. So that's really good. Putting some mulch all throughout these little areas. And then now I know I'm all over the place on this video, but the trailer, I tried to back up. We're up a hill and I tried to back up, it wasn't happening. So what we had to do was we had to pull forward. I put it on 4-wheel drive, and then we got to it. But these are the areas we're going to be mulching right up here in the front. These big old flower beds. We have a total of 9 yards of mulch that we're putting down. Here's the other area where we're going to be putting mulch. My brother, he's already started dumping some piles, so all throughout here. And they have another big flower bed over there, but they said don't worry about that one. They're trying to just leave that one as is. So 9 yards of mulch for this entire area. And the way we calculated on how much mulch we needed, length times width, multiply that together, divide it by multiply by 2, and then divide by 324. But that's what we're going to be doing, and hope to show you the after results once we're done. All right, stay tuned. All right, hey everyone, just trying to do another quick update here as to what we had going on. So earlier this morning, here what we did was we planted some of these liriopes that are gonna spread about 18 inches or so all throughout, and they're here. I put them throughout the front area. What we're trying to do is prevent erosion, so that's where I put them. And then there's these junipers that we put as well. Those are going to spread about 6 to 8 feet, so you can imagine it'll be like this whole circle, and these spread pretty quickly. So all this right here will help us prevent erosion. So we just kind of did a little U type of thing. In this area we have some of these other I don't know what they are, lilies or whatever, so we just kind of put them around like that. Anyways, wanted to show you guys this, and we took care of all those weeds that were there. Oh, hey everyone, this is Braulio here. Just wanted to give you a quick update. So we got all the weeds removed from this area. We put liriope that spreads around throughout the bottom side, and then we have the 2 junipers in the center that are gonna spread about 68 feet wide. We've got some more liriope that we put down here in the back side, and that's to control erosion. Here we got the mulch spread on the bottom side of the hill. Here's some ground cover, which, what do you guys do? Do you usually cover the ground cover, or do you leave it how I did? I think it looks nice how it is. all throughout over there. And then here's the other area. Let me show you real quick. Here we just got to blow things off. We put mulch throughout, mulch, and here it is. This is the one area, same deal, erosion control. We put all the creeping phlox. There's different varieties in there, so that way it'll prevent erosion. That's the customer's #1 concern. So got that done, and here we have the pieces of wood. Once again, they came in handy to bring the wheelbarrow up and down. I have my brother over here in the front. He's getting things done. Look at that. He's about to do some mulch. Put some mulch on the wheelbarrow. Is it hard to do the mulch in the wheelbarrow, Alex? Huh? Tell the people if it's hard to put mulch into the wheelbarrow. Kind of easy, kind of hard. It's just back-breaking work, right? Yeah. That's how it is. What don't you like about the mulch? Anything?
No, it's pretty easy.
All right. Oh, I didn't even see your face. All right, let me show them the rest. So we got over here big old flower beds, and it's pretty cool. They got the cobblestone all throughout. But here's the flower bed. Now, how do you guys make sure that the mulch is nice and leveled and everything and not lumpy? We do it by hand, also with a rake. I'm not big onto the rake because I think it's hard. Like here in this area, we got to put a little more mulch. Over there in the front, there's mulch. And let's see, no mulch over there. The customer said that they're trying to figure out what they want to do, but no mulch. Here's some more mulch here. We started spreading around. It looks like my brother started to put more mulch in the area. It looks really good with all the stuff. Put some mulch back here, and once we're done there, that should do it. But we put down 9 yards of mulch all throughout. I think I said that earlier on the introduction video, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick update as to how everything's looking like. Looks like definitely for sure here in these areas it's a little low. We'll have to put some more mulch down. Look, in these areas right here where you see some of the leaves, we got to put a little more, like here, up there. Yeah, but keep doing your thing over there, just how you are. It's looking good. It's looking good. All right, and I'll give you guys an update once we're all finished up. All right, hey everyone. So final update. So here it is. This area, there wasn't too much to it. We just put the 2 junipers that are gonna spread about this big old 6 to 8 feet wide in length and everything. So big old circle. And we did this to do prevention of erosion. We put the liriope in the front, that these guys right here, those are going to spread about 18 inches as well, so that it creates a nice erosion control here in this hillside. Down here we just put regular mulch. That was it, just a nice little mulch. We took out all the weeds, and then right up in this side, this is where we put all the little creeping phlox. Same thing to prevent erosion control. Those are also going to spread about 12 to 18 inches wide, and so it'll create a nice good old carpet all throughout, so they won't have any issues. And in the spring there will be plenty of blooms. Those are one of the first bloomers, so there will be lots and lots of color throughout here. So that's going to look really pretty. All throughout here we just put a little bit of mulch as well in these little areas. And then let me take you to the front. All right, and then in the front, what we did, it was just some good old mulch that was put down. Sorry, I'm anal about making sure that everything's looking neat. So just put down mulch all throughout these flower beds, and then this flower bed down here. Right over here. Boom. That was it. That's the final product. So I'm gonna put all, hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna put all of these 3 different videos together, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one. is complete. Thanks for tuning in. Back in because it was too heavy. Had to pull forward. Filming. So, real quick tip, guys. So, show them the uphill. Show them from down here. Show them the uphill. So, when you're loaded up and you got a bunch of mulch, one tip that I learned. So we had 9 yards of mulch. You know, we have a 3500 Chevy. Not a dually, but we couldn't back up, we couldn't reverse, it was just too much weight, you know, it's like 10,000 pounds. So quick tip, just pull forward instead, and that'll get you there. So thanks for watching.